So all of you, we are working with the topic flow of C programming or C program execution. Now we are going step by step. Let us suppose first of all we are having a C program. So here you are writing a C program, and in this C program you are writing something. Few code is written. Now the name of this program is first.c. So this program we have saved into the memory first with the name first.c. So somebody may ask you, what is that file that you have saved in bin? That file is your source file. Source file means your program is saved into that particular file. Afterward, you compile the program. Once you compile the program, then compiler comes into the picture, the Turbo C compiler or some other compiler which you are using. Now that compiler check out for all the errors. Let us suppose that there are some error, that error will show you. Now that error you will correct. Okay. Once all the errors are corrected, then it will say that yes, successful compilation. After successful compilation, your program is converted to the object file. So that first.c program, where first is the name of program and .c is the extension, that is converted to .obj object file. So first.c, once all the errors are corrected, then this program is coming and converted in the memory with the name first.obj. So this first.obj is your successfully compiled file where there is no error. So with this, your machine can work. You already know that why the compiler is there. Compiler convert your high level language to the low level language. So what that mean? Your high level language that you have made is converted to the low level language. Now this first.obj is the same file. Now machine can read it. So that we say that this is the object file. So after the complete successful compilation on your system, you are having the first.obj file, no error, nothing. After that, let us suppose that after compiling the program, I leave the program, close the application, and after 2 days I am coming back. Maybe I am using your system. Now once I will open the Turbo C, then what will happen? For running that, I will first of all open that obj file. The linker will automatically take the obj file. Once I want to run the program, first of all the linker come into the picture. Now linker will take this object file. Now in this object file, let us suppose that there are different functions. Like functions, let us suppose you are having printf. I am taking very simple function. This printf function, anybody can say this printf is like a English, but this printf function will get the power from the libraries. So those libraries which are required to give the power to this printf function will be taken from the library, and this part is taken care by the linker. So linker is there to link the library with your program. Wherever you are using any function like scanf or maybe clear screen or maybe getch or maybe any other functions which you are using, all these functions are having library associated which are there in the library. Let us suppose that scanf and printf, these functions are there in the library which is stdio.h. So that stdio.h library is taken and those functions are given power. And let us suppose that this getch and clr scr function is taking the power from your conio.h library. So those powers are taken with the help of this library functions and given to them. So who is doing this part? The linker is doing the part, and linker is giving the power to all the functions, means linker is going to link the libraries with those functions. Now your program is ready to work with, and there the exe file will be created, first.exe. You can see that the name of program is same, first. The only extension is changing. When it is .exe, it is ready to execute. When it is first.obj, it is the object file after compilation. First.c, the file you create. Then further, we are having the loader. Loader will load everything into the memory. Once you start executing the file.exe, that will be loaded into the memory, or you say primary memory, then it is executed and giving you the output. So there your output will come. So with this way, if I go step by step, first of all, your first.c file was there, which you have created, compiled, and this was created with the first.obj object file is created with no error. Then linker automatically added all the libraries and giving the power to all the functions, and with that your .exe file is created, and this exe file is loaded and executed and output is given to you. So that is the complete process of the flow of C program execution.